Weaves, wigs, hair extensions. How are these serial entrepreneurs able to make tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars selling hair extensions? Let's get into the video. Now, if you are new here, I'll talk about ways for you to get paid and saved. I'm documenting my weight loss journey. Every now and then I'll do a business update. Just if there's a current event or a news update that I feel is appropriate, I will share it with you guys and try to ask for your thoughts. Right now, let's get into this video. So the global hair, wig, and extension market is estimated to reach a revenue of about $10 billion by 2023. Now they're estimating that it's going to grow at least 9% year after year, and that started in 2017. You're seeing more celebrity stylists, you're seeing more celebrities wearing hair extensions or hair wigs that cost tens of thousands of dollars. I kid you not. And I want a piece of the pie. I mean, I have $175 worth of hair clips in my hair right now. Don't tell anybody that. There is $10 billion at stake. If I just got 0.25% of that, which would be about $10 million, I could potentially easily be a millionaire that way. 0.25% if I were able to make that. Now, thinking a little less aggressively, in order for you to make a six-figure salary selling hair, it's a lot easier than you would think. Here's why, and I'm going to do some basic math for you. So if you wanted to sell about $140,000 worth of hair, the average hair extension order is about $195, which would mean you would need to have at least 2 sales every single day for a profit of $390 each day. Now that is a profit. I'm not actually talking about how much money it costs you to purchase the hair, but this is how serial entrepreneurs are getting around that. After doing some research, I found several serial entrepreneurs that are in the hair business, and what they're doing, they're actually taking a flight to either China or certain parts in India to purchase the hair from the manufacturer directly. They're cutting out the middleman. Now they're doing extensive networking and bargaining overseas to actually prevent any type of price hike that we normally see as consumers. In doing my research, it's gotten to the point that these serial entrepreneurs are so good, it's almost like they're getting the hair as soon as it's shaved off someone's head. They then purchase this hair in mass quantities, fly back to the United States. They may be getting the hair for anywhere from $10 to $30, selling it to consumers like us for over $100 to $150 for each bundle, or in my case, hair clips. Now you may think that actually flying overseas cost a lot of money, but when you look at the amount of profit they're actually getting on the back end, it is well worth it. And again, they're cutting out the middleman, so any profit that they have, especially if they are a one-man show, is purely theirs. So if you are interested or you are thinking about actually purchasing or going this route and being a serial entrepreneur and purchasing hair in mass quantities, there are several websites. I can list them below and talk about them in more detail. Now, one thing that's also happening is there are a lot of scamming websites that claim that they have the best hair and it's a reasonable price or a very good price, and those are people that you want to be careful about. Remember, you're traveling overseas or you're dealing with people overseas, so a lot of the rules and regulations that we have, they may not have or may not need to follow. If you have ever done this, if you are a successful entrepreneur, you've thought about purchasing hair in mass quantities, going to China, going to India, and going that route, tell me how it worked out for you. I would love for you to comment below and give me that information. I hope that this video helped you, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon. Bye, guys.